Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today we will be looking at the LED 16-watt A19 Non-Dimmable bulb from TCP. This A-shaped bulb can be suitable as a 100-watt incandescent bulb replacement. It gives off a brightness of 1600 lumens and has a minimum starting temperature of -22 degrees Fahrenheit. With a voltage of 120 to 277 volts, this bulb has a daylight color tone and a 5000 Kelvin temperature. Due to this color tone and brightness, the LED 16-watt A19 Non-Dimmable bulb from TCP allows you to see true color and proper details in the materials you are looking at, making it ideal for use in warehouses, medical rooms, museums, and print shops. You can order this product from TCP as well as hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every week.